Okay, good morning. So here in this video, we are going to discuss, this is only a correction for the plotting of the TCC curve of the transformer as what we have done in our previous video. So because here, if you notice that the line at the frequent pulse, this line, okay, this curve, so it should be a straight line. But here, if you notice that the lines are not a straight line, because here, this is uh, the table. The current at 31,150 amperes at 4.08 seconds is also equal to uh, at 6.38 seconds. So meaning the line should be a straight lines. So this is the 6.38 seconds, and this is at 4.08 seconds. So it should be a straight line. Okay, it should be a straight line. But here, it shows that it is not a straight line. So we will correct this one. Okay. So from here, so this is table for the frequent pulse. So we will plot the curve per line. One is from 4.08 seconds to 6.38 seconds. It should be a straight line because their fault current is the same. So we have to plot this line, and another line, straight line, is from 4.08 seconds up to the 2 seconds, which is around the fault current is 44,500 amperes. So we will plot the two lines. Okay. So first, right click the chart, and okay, we will remove first this frequent pulse curve. So just click the mechanical damage because this is the mechanical damage curve, and click the remove. Click OK. So it is already removed. Okay, now let's plot the lines from 4.08 to 6.38 seconds at 31,150 amperes. So right click, select data, and click add. So the series name, let's say this is the mechanical damage curve 1. Okay. So from the X series, so this is the X series. So the current, which is equal at 31,150. So just highlight these two currents, and the Y is the time. So from 4.08 to 6.38. Okay. So click OK, another OK. So we have now the straight lines. from 4.08 to 6.38. Next is another line from at 2 seconds where the current is 44,500. So meaning the current is somewhere here at 44 seconds. Okay. So again, let's plot. So right click, select data, and click add. Then name this as mechanical damage curve 2. Mechanical damage curve 2. Okay. So for the x values, the x values is the currents from 2 seconds to 4.08. Okay, just highlight this 44,000 up to the 31,150. Then at y values, which is the time, so the time at 2 seconds up to 4.08 seconds. Okay, so click OK, another OK. So you have now the straight lines for the at 4.08 to 2 seconds. Okay, so that's all only for our corrections. And thank you and God bless.